What's up guys, it's Crystal here. I am back with another review video for you guys, and for today's video it's more like an unboxing review, so it's not like straight up a specific product, but the item that I am reviewing or unboxing is something that I received from Yesstyle as a for free as a gift to basically, like I said, unbox it on camera with you guys and talk about it. So it is the Inssakit. This is the spring edition volume 1. I believe this is sold out right now and they have volume 2 out, but this is volume 1. But the original price of the box was about $74 to $75 US. There's a variety of products in here. Insa basically means insider, so the latest trends in Korea, whether it's K-pop, whether it's skincare or like brands, companies, things like that. It's just the latest styles and concepts in Korea at the moment, all in a box. So like I said, this box specifically is about $75 US. The items in this box range a little over $170 US. So the thing about the box, if you're interested in the Inssakit, I would recommend it solely because you are getting a variety of products. It's almost like a blind box, except you actually know what's in the box because Yesstyle states it. But it gives you an opportunity to know other brands and also blindly try out different kinds of products or items that are in the box. So yeah, there is a volume 2 box. So if you're interested in the Inssakit, definitely check out the second volume. It is a little bit different, but you get to know what's inside of it if you check out Yesstyle's website. But yeah, this is what the box looks like. Super cute. I am totally into the desktop vibe, so I love this box a lot. If you haven't noticed, the way I edit my videos is kind of like almost like a desktop vibe. I'm really into the vaporwave and desktop concept of art, so I've been looking at those a lot lately, and I try to edit my videos similar to that. I don't know if you guys noticed, but I try to. Not really good at it, but I try my best. But I love the box a lot. I think the volume 2 box is also really adorable. It's like a game console, so super cute boxing for the Inssakit. I'm gonna go ahead and open the box up with you guys. And the inside has some stuff too, with a description of what Insta means, a little cute little texting chat thing. I don't know if you can see it on the camera right there. But yeah, super cute packaging. Oh my god. But here is the inside of the box, and we're gonna go ahead and open these up one by one. So I'm gonna open this one up first. Okay, the first thing that came out is the Gulba mask. Super cute. It's really yellow. I am probably not going to, if you guys are interested in any of these products that you want me to review, let me know in the comment section down below, and I will, try my best to review those products. But I will say that I will not review this specific product because there's banana extract in it, and I'm actually highly allergic to banana, so I won't be reviewing this. So I'm definitely gonna give this to a friend of mine or a relative or someone who wants this. But for sure, this looks like such a cute mask and package. But that's the first product. And these are what the masks look like. Moving on, next item. Let's go for this one. This is the next item in the box. This is the Snail Truecica Miracle Repair Starter Kit. There is a gel cleanser in here, a toner, a serum, and a cream. So step 1, low pH mild cleansing. Step 2, healthy skin roots. I can't read. Step 3, skin vitality up. And step 4, straightening the skin. So this is what you would get. Really cute, travel size friendly products. So there's that. If you want me to review this whole set, let me know in the comment section. Let's do the snacks. Okay. The next item in the bag is a snack bag. This is the Calobi multi-protein savory dried Pollock spicy flavor. Just gonna go ahead and, so I don't know if you can see that. That's the inside And this is what it looks like. Pollock is fish, so it does have a fishy smell to it, and it definitely looks like dried fish. So if you're not a big fan of fish, then probably not something you'd be interested in, but I like it. It's pretty good. It's like beef jerky styled fish. Yeah. Okay, moving on. I have 3 items left in this little bag. And this one is the Easy Matte Lipstick. There's 5 colors, and this one is Spring Coral. This is by Peach C. And oh my god, Peach C has the cutest packaging and color scheme. And I'm slightly biased, if you can't tell, so. Oh my, it's so cute. Oh my god. It's like a really cute peach color toned with a gradient effect. And oh, the latest magnet. And here is the color. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Let me just swatch it on here for you guys. Look at that. Oh my god. Wow. Super gorgeous. Even though it's a really nice spring color, I think you can also get away with using it in the fall too, because it's slightly, very slightly mauve, or you can mix it with darker toned colors, but this is a very beautiful color, so I'm excited to use this lipstick. Next item is the VT Cosmetics collaboration with BTS. This is the Stay It Twin Eyeshadow in the number 2 gold brown. The packaging. So here is the actual product. It's a very copper rose gold packaging, and it's mirrored. It looks like it's tiered. See that? It looks tiered. The top has like a little mirror. It has the eyeshadow. I wonder. Oh, it is tiered. There's 2 eyeshadow colors on here. Very nice. Let me go ahead and, oh, it's so creamy. This eyeshadow is super creamy. Okay, so this is the top one. I totally accidentally got some on the lipstick swatch, but very pretty. Oh my god. I think this is like the perfect gold champagne. Well, it's not really champagne, it's like a brown gold color. So pretty. Okay, here's the bottom one. Oh my god, it's so creamy. Here's that. Very, very gorgeous colors. Oh my goodness. Very universal colors too. So easy to mix and match with. All right, next item on the list. This is the VYVYD Studio Cheek Flash Highlighter, number 3 Gold Play. This is the packaging. Kind of looks 80s vibe, 70s vibe, circusy. Oh, it has a little tab right here for you to pull and open. Oh, nice. I didn't rip it all the way. No. Okay, well, I'm gonna ruin the box just to get it out. Okay. Wow, it's actually pretty big. I really like the style. Okay, so I'm just gonna open it up. There is a little clear plastic cover here, keeping it hygienic. We love that. And here is what it looks like. There's a little thunderbolt right into the middle of it as well. Very pretty. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch this with a non-swatch finger. Oh, this one's not as creamy and gel-like as the BTS eyeshadow, but it's very smooth. Let's swatch it on here. I don't know if the camera will pick that up, but it's a very nice golden highlight. I think it would suit a lot of skin tones very well. Darker skin tones, it would especially pop, which is awesome. Okay, now that we got snacks and makeup and skincare out of the way, I believe. I think it is items left in the box. Just items left in this box, and it's pink. All of it's pink. So the first thing I have here is the Persona. Well, this is the MTPR collaboration with BTS, and this is the contact lens case. This one's Persona, and it's so pretty. So let me go ahead, open it up. It's a tin can. Very, very nice. Once you open it, you have a photo card. It looks like, I think this is Jungkook. The inside, I don't know if it's supposed to come with tweezers. There is a spot for tweezers right there, but I don't see the tweezers. So that's awkward. Yeah, there's no tweezers in this one, but you do have the contact lens case here. Okay, actually scratch that. The tweezers are in here. So the case and the tweezers, I think it was just like mixed up thing here. So nice. You can take your contacts to go. It is perfect for traveling. And I am having a hard time. There we go. Just gonna put the photo card back in here. Very nice. The next item is this. Oh my god. This product right here. This is an eye mask. I've been actually thinking about getting an eye mask solely because I have a really hard time sleeping, and I'm quite sensitive to light, so this is so perfect. And it's APEACH, and it's not just APEACH, it's little APEACH. I love APEACH so much, and I think you can tell because I love peaches and whatnot. And little APEACH is like my favorite version of APEACH because it's just so cute with the little teeth, so cute with the little teeth. And it's actually quite a big mask. But let's go ahead, open it. I'm making a mess. Oh my god, the packaging is so cute. So cute. Okay, let me this. Oh my god. I think my only complaint about this mask is that it's not silk on the back. This may be microfiber, I'm not 100% sure, but when you look into an eye mask, you definitely want to make sure that your eye mask has a silk backing because it'll prevent premature wrinkles, especially to your eye area, because it is the most sensitive area on your face and more prone to wrinkles because the skin around your eyes are so thin. But I mean, I'll have to look into what material this is made out of just to be safe, but microfiber is also another safe product, but it's probably not as good as silk. But yeah, super cute. Okay, the next product is this APEACH Easy Hair Dry Brush. I've seen this on Instagram where it's supposed to clamp down on your hair like this, and you're supposed to blow dry as you go down. So it's like easy for styling, especially if you want to straighten your hair without using a hair straightener and just straight up using a hair dryer. So very nice concept. Okay, I think we are nearing the end. Okay, the last item is this. This is the Esther Loves You series embroidered shopper bag or shopping bag. It's like a tote bag. Bag is so cute, and there's like a front pocket here, and the inside is like lined nicely with this nylon. I think it's nylon. Really smooth material. And it's quite big, quite spacious. My whole forearm and a little bit of my elbow fits into the bag. So you can store quite a bit with this product. And the material feels similar to like a canvas denim, like a mix between canvas and denim. But I'm pretty sure it's canvas, maybe. But the bag is really nice. Wow. Alright, so we are at the end of the unboxing video of all these products. Like I said, if you want to know what my thoughts are of certain products minus this mask, I don't mind letting you guys know. If you want me to create a review video, just let me know in the comment section down below. I will also do that, but if it's something small like one of these, I might just make an Instagram review instead, but we'll have to see. But other than that, this is everything that's in the Inssakit Volume 1 Spring Edition box. It is so nice. I think every one of these products are really nice. Oh, don't forget this. Yeah, and this. But I think all of these products are so nice and they're so cute. And I mean, it's so pink. Like, how do you have spring without pink, right? But I really liked everything in the box. It's unique. It really does scream spring. Some of these products definitely does. And I like how there's like a variety of like merchandise, day-to-day usage, like lifestyle using tools, makeup, skincare, food, things like that. I think that the Inssakit really has a good balance between just lifestyle, health, skincare, and miscellaneous items that is supposed to represent what is popular in Korea at the moment. So it's a really nice experience to have and to open. So if you are really interested in the Inssakit, Volume 2 I think is out at the moment, definitely check it out. But you can also use my code Peachy Crystal without the E and get a certain percentage off as well. But I highly recommend that you check it out if you want to know what is popular and what is in style or fashion in Korea through the Inssakits. So yeah, I recommend it because all of these products would have cost almost $200, but it only cost like $75 US for this specific box. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap the video up here. If there's any questions, anything that I left out at all, definitely leave them in the comment section down below, as well as any products you want to see me review. Like I said, in the comment section down below. But if you found this video really helpful or you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I will see you next time in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye!